how to delete all your photos on your iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can delete all your photos on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to delete all of the photos on your iPhone, all you have to do is basically go ahead and then first of all just make sure to launch the Photos application. Now if you want to delete multiple photos, at the very top of the screen you'll find the select button. Tap the select option and just go ahead and then actually select the videos that you might want to go ahead and then delete. Now unfortunately for iOS users, how it works is that you will not be able to basically select all the videos at once. You just have to do it, drag it to the maximum that you can select. From the bottom you'll see the number of items of videos selected or the photo selected. Tap the trash icon, and now if you want to delete them, you can tap the delete option in order to delete that particular video. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then delete a certain video or maybe all of the photos on your iPhone. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.